Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guarantee UCL player, how to get group stage reward in UCL live event in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confusing, how you can challenge the event or complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the play button. Tap the live event here and tap UEFA Champions League. This is main page, the first page, and try to tap the group stage. So there are total 8 group from group A until group H. And I want to show you how you can get this group A stage reward here. Just tap it. So the guarantee reward will be UCL player 83 until 85. OVR UCL player. This is guarantee reward for you. And possible reward with 99 odds contain 83 until 84 UCL group A player. Group only in group A player. There are 99 odds here. And also the other player like Dayot Upamecano from Bayern Munchen, Mauro Icardi from Galatasaray, or Rasmus Højlund from Manchester United. You can get this guy by this one. You have to tap the logo here. 1, 2, 3, 4 club. You have to tap for logo for club in group A, for example, with this UCL points. So total here 100. You need 100 UCL point. Once more time, you need 100 UCL point to unlock 4 club in each group and claim this guarantee reward UCL player. So you can get UCL point, for example, from main page. Just play this skill game, for example, every day. So it will take your time, but it's quite worth it. Please play this game every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click next button below. Enjoy the game.